Hiya, my name's Hattie. I'm the founder of Stopcocks Women Plumbers, and I'm here today to show you how to change a tap washer on this dripping tap. Very annoying. In fact, this is my own tap. I know what they say about busman's holiday, but this only started this morning, I can promise you, but it won't go on for much longer. So the first thing I'm going to do, of course, before I do anything else, is turn off the water. Right, I've turned off the water, but you do have to remember that even if you turn the water off, the pipes are still full, and you actually need to drain them down. So I'm going to do that now by just turning on this tap till the water's stopped. Okay, next thing I'm going to do now is just take this tap apart. There are quite a few different types of taps. If you can see here, the one I've got here has got this cross head on. Now, there are other types of taps, and I've got one here to show you, a tap top here to show you. And in order to take this off, you just literally pop this top part off, and inside there would be a screw which you'll undo and take this top off. For my one here now, I've got this little thing which is basically the same thing. I'm just going to zoom in there for you so you can see it. I just need to take this off here. There's a screw inside there. I'll unscrew. Take the top off. The next part of the tap, again, is different. If you've got one of these types, you'll just pull that off and you'll get straight to the tap body. But I need to unscrew the next section, revealing the tap. Okay, I've just put it into a better frame for you so you can see it. You don't need to see me anymore. Grab yourself an adjustable spanner like this one. See, it adjusts. Adjust it down. Just put your spanner on there. If it's a mixer tap like this, you may want to just hold it steady. I'll just do it like this so you can see. And loosen it off. Once you've loosened it, you can just take it off. There it is. To change the tap washer, you can see at the end here, here's the washer on this one. Get into the light there, you can see it. There it is, that's the washer there. Black rubber. I've also got another example here, which yours might look like, which is that. There's the black rubber. If you look on the top, there's a screw. You simply unscrew the screw, make sure you don't lose it. Many times I've lost it. The tap washer will just come off. And another tap washer, put it over the top. Needs to be quite tight. And put the screw back in. Turn it up. There you've got your new washer on. I'm showing you on this one. Pop back in. See, I've only used one spanner and one screwdriver. This is a flat-headed screwdriver, but you might need a cross-headed one. So always have with you an adjustable spanner, a flat and a cross-headed screwdriver. With the adjustable spanner you can do all of the little bits and pieces. tighten it up now. It doesn't need to be crazily tight because there's a rubber seal there. Just like that. Screw, body back on. Pop that on. Screw. Now the acid test, I'll go and turn the water back on. But just before I do turn the water back on, just make sure that the tap is turned off, especially if you're on your own at home. You're doing this on your own. You don't want to come back once you turn the water on and have it flooding. So just turn the tap off. Make sure the taps are turned off before you go and turn the water back on. Okay, I'm back. Now, let me just turn the water on, make sure we're all okay. There's our water flowing nicely. Drip stopped. Job's a good one. Now I've just started a Facebook page called Stopcock Swimming Plumbers. Please go on Facebook, like us and request another video. I'll put plenty more on there. Thanks a lot.